Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a 1992 Honda C50 just in from Japan, and we've done the full works on its service, clean, valet, and had a look over as well. Running really nicely, and condition wise we'll have a look now as well. Front tyre is perfect, front mudguard up over the top, really good condition. Honda Super Cub from the top down. Alloys then are in kind of I would say good condition as well. Some very minor signs of pitting around the alloy. On the front here, leg shields are in good condition and in white, no yellowing in sight as well. Again, onto the right hand side, the front fork areas, good condition as well. Up over the top, only 7,485 kilometers on it. Some kind of minor signs of wear up around the odometer, but the controls here on the left and right all really nice and clear and red. Engine area has some minor signs of aging as well on the left hand side. Super Cub on the left hand side here, no kind of dings or dangs or scrapes to make note of here. Stickers in really good original condition. Up over and under the seat then, good as well. Some very minor signs of surface rusting, but not major at all. Seat then is in really nice condition with no rips or tears. Rear rack again, good condition and chrome. Up over the top then is usually a culprit now for major rust signs, but this one is in good condition. Here you'll see the chain guard present with all the original 10 mils from factory, so that's always nice to see. Side stand and main stand on the bike here as well. Rear alloys probably in a bit better condition than the front. Rear of the bike then, just before the brake light here, you have some minor signs of damage here. Rear indicators and brake light good condition. 1992 bike, like I said. Onto the right hand side of this bike now. Again, exhaust good condition, very minor signs. I'm not going to point out everything. It will be shown in the video, as you can see. But again, the bike is in very good condition for its age. Nearly well over 20 years old now at this stage. So, but up over the top then, original mirrors, as you can see. That's really it for the visual analysis. We'll now move on to the ride along video.
Okay, just for me, we're on the 1992 D120136 Honda C50. That'll just help me. We're doing so many C50s and 70s and all this kind of stuff. It does get confusing when you're coming to list the adverts to see which is which. But this is the really very low kilometer bike, very original, all there. And we're going to have a look at what she rides like, as you'll see throughout this video. So let's hop on her and get her into gear, into first gear, and away we go. I always love the mirrors on these things. Really nice. Lots of view out the rear. Gives you a nice bit of security even though you're on a smaller bike. So 7,485 kilometers only on the clock, so pretty much no kilometers. Very young bike in its age, or in its kilometers I should say. We'll just move out of here without getting killed. And we'll move up and around on our usual spiel, our usual gig around the estate here. There's plenty of people being on bikes here, so you just have to take it easy. But anyway, I'm about 188 centimeters, about 6'2". I'm fitting on the bike quite nicely. I am at the very rear of the seat, but that is to be expected. I'm a very, I don't think the Japanese expected people to just be this large sitting on the bike, but it does fit. There's no issues on the likes of the steering rack here hitting my legs, or the leg shields hitting my legs, or anything like that, or being really uncomfortable. It's not too bad, if I don't say so myself. So we're up to about 50 kilometers an hour. This bike is going to be capable of about 60 kilometers an hour. And a common question that we get asked a lot is what you'll see down below is this kind of red light flashing, and that's to indicate that you are over the Japanese domestic speed limit of 45 kilometers an hour. So we get a lot of people that go, oh no, the bike is braking, but no, it's just a speed warning light to let you know you're either coming up to, or you're about to exceed the speed limit. So that's all it is. Don't be worrying if you see that flashing red light on the dash. It doesn't mean the oil is about to spew out of it and it's going to explode. Excuse me. So as we head around, all working really nicely. Everyone has an old look at these Honda 50s. Everyone has, even though they are obviously the most produced vehicle in the world, people see them, they're quite scarce, you know, not in, certainly in Ireland anyway, in nice condition like this one is. And I'm going to make a left-hand turn here, and before we go up to our little sit-down spot, where we have a look over the electric. So I'm just going to slow down here and make a kind of a swan neck around this lady, and we're going to put the bike down for its electrical inspection, I guess you could call it. You'll see the horn is working, and we'll just put it up on the main stand and we'll go through the electrics. But first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a few pictures for the thumbnail of the YouTube video, and also for the done deal ad as well. So this is what you are going to be clicking on. Just get that one there, and we'll just get a new one that we're doing as well, which is this picture right here. Okay, so ticking over very nicely. Front headlamp working, and we'll just oh, that's parking, sorry. And we'll just turn on the left indicator there, front left, left rear. Oh, I just cut out. Oh, let me just leave the ignition on. Right rear and the right front working there as well. So let me just kickstart her up and give her a bit of life, so I'm not wasting the battery. I think the idle needs to be tuned. That'll just be a screw. It's a simple screw on the carburetor. But that's been it for the Honda C50. You see it's idling now, it's just idling a bit low. Honda C50, tell us what you think of them. What kind of colour is your favourite? Are you a fan of this kind of matte green? It's kind of a bit more unusual, very low kilometres. If you do like the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of these C50s in general, and also if you could, a subscription would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.